The Share tab in the Backstage view allows you to share with people online. Notice it says Save to Cloud. So here I could invite people, and it says where you can invite them, or I could email. So I have more than one ways of sharing. I could share by saving it to OneDrive, which is Microsoft's answer to the cloud. So I save it up there to OneDrive using my Microsoft account, and then I share it. See, that says 2 steps. Or I can share by email. In this case, I have a choice. I can send as an attachment, as I used to do, or I can send only a link. The only problem is it depends on who has access to your links, right? If you're on a network, yes, I can send a link, or if I have the access to the same web page, as long as, notice, shared in a saved location. The other thing I can do, without converting the whole thing to a PDF, I can send it to somebody as a PDF. So when I email, I get the regular Excel as it is, as I see it. I can send a link to it so that they can access the shared location, which it says exclamation point because it's not saved in a shared location now. But when it is, you'll be able to see this active and you can send it. I can send it as a PDF, only sending that as a PDF, keeping my main one as a regular Excel, or the Windows Special, their answer to PDF, XPS. So another Windows user could get this. It's similar to a PDF in that they can't edit it, but it's not as generalized. Not everyone can use an XPS file. You send it to someone on a Mac, there's a problem, whereas PDF can be used anywhere. Or I can send as an internet fax through the computer. That's the only thing. So here I have ways to share through email or directly through people on my OneDrive account. So this is very new for Microsoft, and it's exciting that I can share Excel documents through the internet or anywhere.